So, hello, привет, dzień dobry, and today I have a problem with this car, and those parking sensors are not working. So, I will show you how to diagnose and fix it if everything goes well. So, I already hooked up a computer. So here we are. It's plugged into OBD. Yeah, and the problem is that when you turn on the ignition and for example, I have a rear view camera also, but parking sensors are useful too, so I want to fix that anyway. So yeah, when you put in rear, so it beeps, and this one parking sensors, yeah, it's blinking, so it shows that parking sensors are not working. Probably it's the problem of the parking sensors, but I don't know. I need to check anyway, because Diagnostics should show which one is not working. So yeah, okay. Yeah, it's the controller. Yeah, this is the controller. It's not focusing correct. Yep. And we try fault codes. Okay, parking aid warning crime. Sensor from parking aid rear mid right. So okay, we try to clear these codes and see what's, yeah, those two codes are back again. So okay, first I need to fix the parking aid warning crime, so it's the speaker, and I don't know where it's located. Maybe it's somewhere there. I don't know. So I need to little bit digging in Google, and when I try to find something, I will come back and we try to fix these problems. But the first is it's the signal of this one, and then we need to sensor rear mid right. Okay, so yeah, I will come back after a few seconds. Yep. So I already take out the parking sensor. This one is not working. I will show you how to check those with multimeter, and the taking out is kind of tricky because it's not so much space. Firstly, you need to open this, I don't know, dust guard maybe. Yeah, there are four or five screws. You just put it away. So much dust, and it's I think you can't see, but it's not so much space inside here, so it's kind of tricky to take it out. There are like I will show you. It's not focusing right now, but there are like two latches. You need to open those and just push inside, and yeah, it's not a very easy job, but yeah, I managed to take it out. So I have the new one. I will show now how to check it's working or not, and I will install it back again and check on the computer if there is a problem or not. So yeah. So the new parking sensor costs about 20 euro cheapest, and to check it there is a 3 pins inside here. So the first and second from this side you just put on this multimeter, and if it's working, I already put on the new one. So if it's working, it shows you put multimeter on resistance, and resistance 200k, so it shows 10 maybe kilo ohms, I don't know, and it indicates that it's working. And if you I will put on this one, and it shows just nothing, no resistance at all, so this one is not working. And yeah, so everything is screwed in this guard, and the new parking sensor is in the place. So now we need to just check in if everything is okay. So now let's check, maybe it's only parking sensor was faulty, or maybe not. So we need to check again on the computer. Fault codes. Okay, clear codes. Yeah, and we still have that one, and there is not so much information where I can find it. On D3 platform A8 it's in the trunk, and I think one is on the other side of the instrument cluster. So I think we need to take apart the trunk and find that one, because maybe that one is faulty, or the wires or something. So yeah, for now I have only this fault. I finally found where it's located. It's in the trunk area, like rear panel, behind this rear window. It's very tricky to get there. I already placed the new one. The old one is here, not working. And now I will check if everything works. Then I will show you how to get to this place. And yeah, so first I need to check if everything is okay right now. So it's on the ignition. The speaker costed about 10 euro new, and yeah, but it's not that easy to replace, because a lot of things need to be removed to get to that place. So okay, the moment of truth. Parking. Okay, so now we try clear codes. Yes. Yeah, no fault code found. Yeah, I think we have now a working parking system. Now I just try to put in the gear. Yeah, it makes sound, everything works. Yeah, front and back. Okay, so now I will show you how to get to it. In the trunk you need to take out this plastic. It sits right here. There is a lot of Phillips screws. Then when you take this plastic out, there are 4 screws that holds the speakers for the music. Then those three bolts are holding that panel. So one is here, one over there, and one over there. And those 2 plastic ones are holding that parking sensor speakers. So it goes, you push with something, this goes through this side or through this side, doesn't matter. Yep, and from inside you need to take seats. That lower part is holding screws. Like here is the screw, it screws, yeah, somewhere. No, it's not very visible, but there one screw, there is another. Then you push it up and towards the front. After this, it's not in your way. And then this seat is holding by 2 screws in the bottom. Here it's one. Yep. This one goes like here. Another side also. And then it's the center, that part, armrest, and you need to this leather not out, but a little bit, it's on the way, and there is 2 screws that holding a seat. Then you just lift it up and towards the front. When this seat is out, you can see that rear panel. There is plastic lips, one here, one on the other side. You take out rear speakers and you lift up and take it towards you. So yep, and then you can see that thing, that parking speaker. Yeah, you can see it's over there. It holds with those plastic lips. Yep, and I will show you now the bonus how to check all the speakers when I reassemble everything. Almost everything is assembled. I checked, everything works fine. Yeah, seats in the place. And now I'm gonna show how to check the speakers. It doesn't matter the speaker is from like this one, from parking sensors, or it's a regular music speaker for headphones or for your computer or etc. So there is a like there is like 2 pins inside, yeah, and also the same, there are 2 pins on the big speaker. So you put your multimeter on that sound. When you touch one to another, yeah, it makes sound. So it's a like loop, like the wire is not turned down or something, and you put both plus and minus, and if it makes that beeping sound, the speaker is working. It could be turned down from the inside or something, but if it makes the sound, it should make some kind of sound. And for example, this one, when I put it, it doesn't sound it at all. So something was with that coil, with that wire. So yeah, everything works fine now. I checked, like for example, rear sunshade working, rear brake light working, parking sensors working, front and the back. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and I think there will be more new videos, and you can like, subscribe, comment. If something if something you don't understand, then you can write, I will answer. Тоже по-русски можете напишите комментар, смогу ответить. So yeah, bye and see you next time. Bye bye.